My name's Ellen Cush, and I found out that I had a tumor. I was having surgery, and I had to have a pre-op test. There was a tumor on the x-ray. Well, he's seen the x-ray right away, and he's like, yeah, okay, yeah. He says, that's definitely got to come out. And we talked a little bit, and then he turned to him. And he's like, what about you? Because Dr. Schwartz asked me how many years I smoked. With us being married, he assumed he smoked too. So he goes, how many years have you smoked? And that's when it turned to him. 51 years. And we've been smoking that long. Well, we did until 3 years ago. At first, back when we were young, we smoked all the time. But then it lingered off. You know, we didn't smoke that much. We have never, ever smoked more than a pack a day. Ever. You know, so that's still not good. It's still not good. But, yeah, after dinner, riding in a car, yeah. There was no doubt that it had to be taken out. There was no, it was that big, the tumor, that it was coming out. And I said, okay. If you've been smoking that long, how long has he been smoking? And I said, same. So he said, I think you need a CT also. That same day, he just went to the back and had the CT.
I learned that I had a tumor. And he gave me a choice. He says, it might be cancerous, it might not be. And he said, but if it was him, he would have it taken up. So I agreed. We took care of one another.
He took care of me, waited on me hand and foot, and then it was my turn when he had his surgery. So that's just what we do anyhow. 2 years ago, my sister was diagnosed with cancer, but hers wasn't so good. And she was healthy and worked, and she has 6 grandkids, and she, you know, I mean, she was fine. She was fine. So she goes to the hospital, and they said she's got cancer all through her. And then she died a year and 8 months later. But she didn't have lung cancer. She had colon and into her stomach, and what got her was the liver. It got into her liver. And that's that cancer. I mean, it does whatever it wants to do. We actually did give somebody advice, and he had the surgery too, from Dr. Schwartz, a month after him. We go to a club, you know, in Greensburg, and he heard, you know, about our stories, you know. Well, first, you know, because I had mine, and he said, I was thinking about having that done, but I've been putting it off. I think I better not put it off anymore. And he also went up to see Schwartz, and so there's 3 of us in the same club, had the same surgery.
It was worth getting scanning.
That scan was, I mean, to me, I feel like it saved his life, because if that cancer was in, and it was cancerous, that little tumor that he had, it was little, but who knows, it could have been bigger. Who knows, you know, if he wouldn't have had another x-ray like I had an x-ray, how would we have known?
I think it's worth it to go and get a scan if you smoked and been around a lot of smoke. Because I would have never done it if it wasn't suggested to me that it was going to be paid for. But anybody should go and have it done. I got caught early, it saved me.
Well, they've been after me for years. I don't know why. You just continue to do it. Until my sister's laying there in that bed, crying because she didn't want to stop smoking. She just didn't want to stop smoking. And I said, you have to. And if you will, I will. Of course, if I will, he will. So that's how it went. My kids said, we're going on a cruise and so are you. Congratulations, that's what we did. We're celebrating our cancer-free.